Thank you, bus driver, for the lovely drive. Thank you, bus driver. Thank you, bus driver. Thank you, bus driver. For the lovely drive. Thank you. This lady's much smaller than me. You see this lady? Bye. I'm really small.
Bye.
No, I'm not. Yes, you are, Cameron. You are very small. I'm small. Thank you, bus driver.
Nice to see you.
We have. See you after the theater. We're watching a different movie. Thank you, bus driver. Dr. Seuss. Dr. Seuss? I don't know that movie. The musical. Thank you. Thank you.
Lord Sings, Anita.
Thank you, bus driver. Thank you, bus driver, for the lovely trip. Donkey.
Nice to see you, Anita.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Okay.
Bye, and thank you. Donkey.
See you, Anita.
Donkey. Donkey.
Anita.
Donkey, even the like a donkey.
Next song, Yellow.
Donkey. This is.
Oh, sorry.
You need to say.
See you.
Thank you.
See you, Anita.
Thank you very much. Will we find you here again
Yeah,
afterwards?
yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. I'm so glad I don't have to drive in this traffic.
Yeah,
My
yeah.
nerves would be
Thank you,
shot.
bus driver. Thank you, bus driver.
Bye-bye, and enjoy.
Thank you, bus driver. Thank
See you, enjoy.
Hours, 40 minutes.
kan hy maklik plat druk. Met net een hout teen sy groot voorkop. En nou stel ek voor my ou vriend Fanny. Sluk sy die wêreld wat hom van hom plan nie. Tom in die straat sê, hoe gaan dit op pad? Sê Fanny, jy kan nie kla nie. Hier sê die manne in die Royal Hotel. Ek ken ons vir almal, ek is almal se wel. Luister of vriend, daar agter die bar. Lyk dit ons daar. Luister of vriend, daar agter die bar. Lyk dit ons so nog. Hearts on fire, locked in love. It was a quiet night. I was too far from home. At the end of the street, where the young lovers meet, she was standing alone. And when I asked her her name, I saw her face. She said, you know, I've been waiting every night in this place. And though you've taken your time, well, I'm so glad you came. And I just couldn't hide. The feeling inside was like a burning flame. Hearts on fire, locked in love. Hearts on fire, locked in love. No desire. Hearts on fire, hearts on fire, hearts on fire, hearts on And as we walked down the street, with her hand held in mine, I said, all of my life I've been wasting my time. She said, you'll always be here, somewhere safe in my heart.
Het lijkt heel onschuldig is.
And you know I've been with you, like we were never apart. And when I looked in her eyes, I knew I felt the same. And she started to smile. The feeling inside was like a burning flame. Hearts on fire, locked in you can. Yeah, come on over, come on in. Pull up the seat, take a lot of your feet. Come on over, come on in. You can unwind and take a lot of your mind. Oh yeah. Come on in. Get a life, get a grip, get away somewhere, take a trip,
What they say?
take a break, take
I
control,
just saw him pull up on
take
there like
advice
this.
from someone you know.